Today we venture back to this untouched river, wading, swimming for fish. Stay tuned because we might just catch a few. Okay, gonna start off with an old school spider jig, just on a little 1/16 net head. And we'll see if they're willing to eat. Nice smallie. Oh, that's so cool. Out of this little side pool. Look at this thing ripping. Nice fish too to start the day off. Just on the net head. They just don't give up. Come on, buddy. Nice long smallie to start the day off. Got him on the Ned. It's a good fish. Really long, skinny fish. Fantastic way to start the day off and get things rolling. Beauty. Such a cool spot too. Hooked up. Oh yeah, nice smallie. Sight fish that one. Just saw him, cast it to him, and it was instant. I mean, that thing came over at 1,000,000 miles per hour and hammered it. Not bad. Decent little fish. There we go. Feels small. Yeah, a little smallie, not too bad. Little fatty. Beautiful fish. Really healthy. Not too bad, not too big. Fun though. Fish on. Get out of that rock. Looks like a largemouth. No, I think a spot. Yeah, nice spot. Well, not too bad. Oh wow, they are fat up here though. Decent little spot. Little smallie. Little net eater. Ouch. Just a real little guy, but that's fine. Oop. Just right in between those two rocks. It's a nice little deep hole that fish was hunkered into. I don't know what that is, but that looks like bear. I mean, I don't like that. So we just got done with the day. You know, it wasn't amazing, but it wasn't bad by any means. We caught some fish, some awesome smallmouth, a couple spots, and had a great day. I mean, it was a beautiful day. The water feels amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed.